G'day and welcome back to Foord Off-Road and my 6 litre LS Patrol build. In this video, I'm going to rip the fuel tanks out, going to push her outside, wash all the mud and shit from underneath it, and also start bogging up the holes in the passenger side door. So first thing I'm going to do is take off all the filler necks and everything. And then take off all the, unplug the wires. Don't know how much fuel's in the tanks, so see how heavy they are. I don't even. Okay, that's that. I don't know how well the camera will be able to see in there. Will it all? Looks like there's probably a quarter of a tank, but look like there's a lot of dirt at the bottom of the tank too. See how heavy that is to get out, because I don't have a jack that goes that high, so might just have to let it hit the ground, we'll see. Full of 20 years of dirt. Oh. That'll gonna be handy. Okay. Ooh, this is actually going to be quite heavy. Okay. Okay. Oh. Could be how I die. Still got a fair bit in it. That's how you pull the fuel tank out of control. I was expecting that to be a little bit lighter, but she's right. It's out now. Yeah, we'll try this one, see how this one goes. Oh, that's gonna snap. Told ya. So as in the past, someone's obviously tried to take it off. So as all the other ones. It's alright, someone's invented these fancy as things called nutserts. So I'll drill them out and pop a couple of them in there. And do the other end. Rip her out. Oh, it's actually got a drain on it. Oh, I've got to take it out anyway because I've got a Superior Engineering long arm kit on the way. So I've got to modify the chassis a little bit. Got only one bolt left from that side, one of them snapped. I was expecting more to snap. Now at this end, got to take this off. And they're going down from the top, so hopefully I can get in there with a ratchet spanner and they're not ridiculously tight like that end was. But I guarantee they're going to be. And you can see how much dirt's been falling in my face while I'm under here. Anyway, it's got to be done. Okay, these are going to be harder to reach than I thought. Look at that. I've cleaned under this car heaps of times. Mud just appears from nowhere. I'm going to try and get these undone depending on how many snap, will depend on if the sub tank even goes back in the car or if I just get a long range main tank. So I'll get started and see what happens. Yeah, it's not tight at all. Far out. I smashed the shit out of my hand just before 2. Trying to get this undone. I prefer they just fucking snap, to be honest. This is bullshit. Fuck me. It's 1 out of 3. Why did it need Loctite on it? Why isn't it up from underneath? Why is it so fucking tight? Get the next 2. Two down. 1 to go. One snapped out of the 3. That was the hardest to reach one. She's all good. What? Snap that one too. So theoretically this should just now come out. Less in that one. Right. Now, let's go and clean some things. Alright, that was a bit of a mission. To get the tanks out. Got dust everywhere, dirt and mud everywhere. My eyes are full of dust. Now I'm going to push it outside, give everything a good clean, so that when I'm putting it back together, I do not get a drop of dirt in my eyes. That doesn't make sense. A particle of dirt in my eyes. Do that. Dogs are going crazy because I think there's someone else in their yard. Just the patrol moving. Just moving the patrol over. Well, the sun's doing weird things to the camera lens. First time the patrol's left the shed in a fair while. Hopefully next time it'll be driving itself out. Right. After about an hour with the pressure washer, I've got most of the dirt out of the chassis. I'm going to put this handle back on so I don't keep smashing that door shut. Handling the lock. Going to pull apart the other side so I can start filling in the holes. I don't know if I'll fill in the holes in this video or not because it's getting hot outside. So I reckon I'll just pull it apart, get it ready for a future video. And yeah. So what, by the time I go to put this patrol back together, I'm going to have a million boxes of random bolts that I have no idea where they go. It's definitely going to take longer to put the whole car back together than it has to pull the whole car apart. But oh well. Better. That's how you get that out. Hopefully when I go to put that back in, it's still in one piece. The whole connection of these tiny little things that you need to open the door with. And get all new rubbers and door seals and stuff too. It's all pretty old, and every time I go full driving I get water in the bloody car. That one's all split and wrecked. Righto. I reckon that's going to be it for today because it's getting pretty bloody hot outside. I was planning on getting the engine, at least sitting in the engine bay today with the engine mounts tacked in and that. I couldn't get a hold of an engine crane, so apologies for that. Righto. Tank's out, car's clean, other doors pulled apart, ready for in another video. I'll weld it up same as I've done with this one. That's it for today because it's getting hot. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Check out the rest of my videos. There's the patrol build, there's a heap of videos on mechanical stuff on Hiluxes, and there's a whole heap of motorbike riding videos too if you're into that. So check it out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.